Okay, so basically, our old frame is actual bull crap, all right? We've extended it so many times, and we didn't account for the axle, so we would have to extend it another foot or two, and it sucks. And our welds, we did a weld test. We broke one of our welds, and they snapped, so we're starting fresh. So we're gonna put this bad baby on a brand new frame, all right? We're gonna mock it up right here. It's gonna be like a drag car. This thing's gonna be massive, and we're gonna make it right. It's gonna be awesome. We like our width of the frame, but obviously the axle isn't gonna work, the wheelbase. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put another bar right here, and then another bar right here, and connect it with a bunch of little bars. So probably like 4 or something. And then we're gonna cut this out, and cut this out so that the wheel can sit in there. And then that way our axle can mount to those little bars that we had. So
it'll look good too.
It'll look good, yeah. And that way our wheels are sitting inside the axle, or like within the frame. It'll look pretty cool.
We want it as wide as possible for stability too.
Yeah.
So that we can drift, you know.
Yeah.
Action.
All right. All right, so we just taped this up where we're gonna put some bars because we're running into this issue of the wheel's gonna hit our frame. So we're gonna make it look pretty cool back here. The tires are gonna stick out a little bit. Just taped up the frame. This isn't exactly how we're gonna mount all these new tubing pieces, but for the engine, this is what the mounts are gonna look like. You love that pose for our YouTube channel.
Because this hurts my knees.
Go-Kart update.
It's good, I said it.
We got a mini fridge back there. That's right. Official Pete's Garage mini fridge. Oh, hold on. Oh, Trump 2020! All right, now to the go-kart. Kurt, what's going on with the go-kart?
Figuring out the engine mounts. Gotta get the right bolts.
Gotta get the right bolts.
Gotta go get the right bolts.
Austin, explain the engine mounts, how it's gonna mount.
We're gonna take 3 pipes, one long one here, directly to this mount, another long one connecting to this main mount, and then a smaller one that's supporting up this one right here. And then we're gonna use this 1/4-inch steel.
From a bumper bar?
We're gonna cut it up to use it as a mount piece.
the mounting plate. So all the pipes are going to connect to that.
Last night we cleaned out the garage, organized all of our tools. We got the go-kart laid out here. Kurt and Ian aren't here right now, but I'm gonna do some stuff, some like little annoying stuff, like take off the frame from the engine so that we can cut it up, smoothing it out, and maybe cut up some stuff over here and look at some mounting points. But we just got this new mic, so if we're sounding a little bit better, more clear, that's why. Pull it up. Keep going. Nice. Now pull it away. Perfect. Me and Danny. Me and Danny just got the cage off of the engine.
What's up, guys? I'm Oba, newest member to the team. Right now we just cut off all the metal bits on this spoiler thingy right here. I'm about to clean it up, make it look nice, and then we're gonna put it back on and figure it out from there.
Kurt and I are working on making the engine mounts for the front, and we just finished one, welded it on, painted it with primer, and now we're working on the other one. What you guys just saw in the time lapse, we mounted these tubes in, got the engine bolted in, and then we took it off and we finished the welding. Then we took the subframe off again, and so I'm an idiot, and I totally shredded apart the mount for the shock that we're gonna use, and so now we're welding it back together.
Okay, this might.
Ian doesn't know, but me and Kurt do. But I'm hoping Ian never finds out because I made a mistake.
This might just be me. Isn't this supposed to go on the inside?
What?
This rubber thing?
Yeah, it is. Me and Kurt finished the mounts. Now we're looking to mount the rear end. Kurt just put on this chain and ran into a problem here. Every time the wheel wants to go forward, the chain wants to hit right here. So we're gonna put a bar right here, and then we're gonna cut this portion out and we'll be fine. Right now I drew out these tabs and I'm cutting them out to be welded on right back here, right here. And so we're just working on mounting the rear end, and that's where we're at.
So right now we're making little pieces to cut out this little section right here, so the chain doesn't smack against this pipe.
Yeah. Right now I'm working on the brackets. I'm getting this one completely done and fitted, and then I'm gonna copy it for all the rest of these. I just finished making these brackets. I'm about to cut off this right here and right here. And then we're gonna cut up a bar and start welding on the mounts down here and right up there on that bar. And our engine will be connected. Ian just got here after work.
What's up? Hey.
We just hooked everything up. Got the wiring harness back on. Gas tank. Engine is completely mounted. And
Well, for the most part mounted.
for the most part, I mean, it's holding itself up right now. So we're putting on the sprocket and chain. And we're about to see this thing spin the tires for the first time ever.
I'm starting it.
Start it.
It's not working.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, turn it off and on. Turn it off and on.
You didn't even. You turned it off.
All right, start it.
This chain snapped.
The chain snap. Hold on.
Because the weld was not.
Wait, can we put this one on?
Try it. Ready? So like, imagine you're ripping on the, imagine you're like ripping down the street. It's gonna sound like this.
What have we created?
Holy crap.
What have we created?
We need exhaust tips.
We need exhaust, dude. We can't even ride it without exhaust tips.
My ears burn.
So
We made a discovery.
our wiring harness is toast, and we're gonna have to rewire the whole thing.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. I mean,
I'm an expert.
So for the future, Ian's gonna wire this whole thing again, and then I'm gonna work on tubing the rest of the chassis, and Kurt's gonna help.
Kurt's
Do
gonna
all
sit
that.
around and look pretty.
Yeah. He's the DJ when the camera's not on.
But then he always walks away, and then the DJ's like the music sucks.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because he always has his phone in his pocket because he's just
Stop talking,
Dude,
bro.
this is
You're
our
ruining the
video.
Sorry.
Don't listen to him.
We need a new chain. We need a new
I
sprocket.
don't want to do this anymore.
We need to figure out the brakes.
This isn't fun.
This isn't fun. We've done this, and we have a lot to go. So
You know, I think we take a break.
first video back.
Shut up.
You are ruining the video.
You are ruining the video yet again.
You need to leave.
I think this is where we end this video. And then we'll start on the next one.
Engine mounted.
Engine mounted and running.
Mother sucker.
We put the chain on and it broke. So, how do we outro this? What do we
That's
do?
our outro.
All right.
Leave that in. Leave all this in right now.
All of this right now?
This is all in.
All right, peace.
So this is for Luca there. He's in the Navy right now. He shaved his head. And for Rochester Rednecks, because they're peer pressuring me. Alright, start time.
All right. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. First day after the haircut, how you feeling?
my girlfriend has already said that she's no longer physically attracted to me. She said she won't forgive me until it grows back. And that's basically it.
Yeah. So do you regret it?
Kind of. Don't want her mad at me, but I like it.
Dude, it's not even that
I
bad.
know.
It looks good.
She literally, she's like, I'm no longer physically attracted to you. I'm like, literally everyone said that
Dude,
they like it.
do a
She's like,
360.
they're liars.
Do a 360. Bro, that is not bad.
She's saying like, they're liars. Like, don't listen to them. It looks terrible. Like you don't look good anymore. I'm like, it's just my hair, bro. Chill.
Yeah. Dude,
Walt, you're next. Come get a buzz.
where's he at?
I like it. I swear, dude, I do like it.
Dude, it's not that bad.
I mean, it's a little janky, but it's not
Well,
bad.
I mean, for a homemade haircut.